to my garage.
What's up, bro?
What up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good. Long time no see.
Oh, dude, I want to fix my car already, bro. I want to drive it.
Oh my goodness.
I don't have AC, so that's something I want.
Oh,
I seen some like AC leaking, like the refrigerator thing. So maybe it has a little air pocket. Yeah. I don't know. I didn't even. Oh, look at. Don't record him. He's Chapo Guzman's best friend. I don't know.
Hey, bro.
Hey, what's up,
What you got there?
Oh, guess what came in, dude? I got some Grimspeed gaskets. Their Grimspeed is the best, dude. I mean, well, yeah, these are real good. I don't know what to say. They're just real good. And this is what I needed for my car. I had a bad turbo leak, and well, let me show you what it is. Let me show you what it is. Yep, any second now. All right. So this is an Uppipe. Well, at least it's a Subaru Uppipe. It's for a EJ20. It's a 2.0. Yeah, so on mine, it has like a waffle cone. You'll see it when I remove it, but I know it's leaking from there. This is for your oxygen sensor, but I'm not gonna use it, which they provided with something to close it. Yeah, I'm real excited to finally drive my car. I could have drove it like that, but it doesn't sound nice. Let's get started, man. I'm so ready, dude.
Let's go.
Hell yeah. All right, bro, let's see how this sounds, dude. Oh, I got music to my ears.
See.
You got it, bro. But if you want to take a look, never mind, don't take a look.
And it's a bug eye too.
Oh yeah, my rims, guys, don't mind the rims. They're coming off. I'm putting something better. I just need to get them polished. Just need to put some elbow grease to them. Yeah, but let's get it. Let's get it. But look, would you be willing to
take out the side screws?
pop out the side screws? See that? What? In the bottom, I got like some bolts right there in the bottom.
2 hours later.
Oh, nice. Man, that took an hour just to take off the side screws. Oh, bitch ass fucking spider, dude. Man.
Bro, the fucking.
Oh, there's a clip on the side. You popped it out already?
The fucking spider jumped into my shoe, and it fucking bit me.
What?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, what? You got bit by a spider and it jumped into your shoe?
It jumped into my shoe. It was crawling, dude, and then it just like got me, and I was, oh, what the fuck? And then it went inside. Cause I had to take off my shoe. It went inside my shoe.
Dude. Yeah, like I said, I haven't moved my car in a while. What the hell? You guys bit by a spider?
That was weird, bro. That was weird.
Hey, check out the angle. Just tell me if you want to move it real quick. Well, let me finish. Hey, can I see your tools real quick? Can I see that U-bolt?
Yeah.
On the screw? So, we're removing the downpipe. It's these 5 bolts right there, so I can get to 1 bolt that's in the bottom of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's 4 bolts on top, I think, or 3 bolts on top and 1 or 2 in the bottom. I'm gonna just take them off so I can remove it, and then I'll get under the car and start taking off the exhaust manifold and see how fast we can do it. Oh, look at that's my Uppipe, bro. Ah, look at that. This is the Uppipe right here. So what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm gonna remove the manifold from here. I'm gonna remove it from here. Hey, there's a Black Widow right there. Sorry, hippies. All right, and so we're removing it from here. We're removing it from here. We're removing it from here. We're gonna take this down, and then we'll start messing it from here. So what I'm doing right now is, okay, that's not a leak, that's just my WD-40. Okay, we gotta remove 2 bolts here in the bottom, and my manifold should come off. There we go, bruh. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, these downpipe. It's because there's no room. Yes. Yes. It's coming out. It's coming out. I haven't worked on my car in so long that I just forgot how hard. I mean, you just forget, man. You know how they say you forget the hardships in life. Oh yeah, shout out to Harbor Freight Tools. You guys got cool tools. Let's see, and yes, 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 yes. Now more hard parts coming your way. Oh yes, yes. Going back under. Okay. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do, man? I think I'm gonna remove the whole downpipe, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna remove the whole downpipe, guys. I'll be back. Downpipe down! Downpipe down! Oh shit. This is what I was having trouble taking off. This is connected with the turbo. Do you want to see how it sounds? Oh, come on, dude, you're stuck. Oh my god, it's stuck to the exhaust, not the fucking thing. There we go. Aw, man. Now what? Now what? What the heck? There we go. Exhaust manifold down. Damn, dude. I got work to do right there. It's like the gasket got glued onto that, so I'm gonna have to scrape all that off. Oh, fool. Oh my god, I think it's coming off. And it's off. Finally. Alright, guys and gals. This was my leak. It's leaking from right here. This thing. And I'm replacing it. that piece inside could break off and it could go up into your turbo and they could cook your turbo.
That's it. And just show it to that piece right there.
You just plug it up with this right here.
It comes with the kit.
Oh yeah, it comes with the kit. Of course, I'm gonna add some Teflon to it, and it's just safer. There's nothing inside. So we tried to put the Uppipe, and it wasn't lighting up. So we figured out that this one was not fitting on the turbo side. So we removed it because the old one was like that. So now we're gonna try to put it on again. Hopefully it works.
What?
It's totally in.
Yeah.
It's all the way in.
It's all the way in.
Oh,
Screw it in.
thank you, George. Okay, that one's in.
Good?
Perfect, man. More than good. Beautiful.
Alright guys, so we just put the Uppipe in. It's in. We just need to clean up a little bit. We got a couple of gaskets to replace. They got
this gasket got kicked onto the head cylinder. So basically I just have to scrape it, clean it, make sure it's ready for a new gasket. And the Uppipe is on, the new gasket is on. So once I clean that, I could put the header. We'll be ready to drive it.
Yeah, we'll give you guys an update on the WRX. We'll give you guys a video on that. So see you guys.
Peace.
Hey everybody, thank you for staying until the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, share it with a friend. And if you don't, share it with an enemy. We'll see you guys next time. Woo! Peace.